What if I tell you 21 great steps to stop procrastination? Yes, you're right. I am referring the book called Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Let me show you. Guys, this is the book which I have learned and I have realized the importance of how you can avoid the procrastination, get your work done. I would definitely recommend this book to each and every viewer who is watching my video. And also, you might have many of you would have read this book. This is a very beautiful books where it will tell you the importance of how you can avoid procrastination and get your important work done. This is by Brian Tracy, who's an international motivational speaker, and this book is one of the bestseller of US. So I would recommend this book all of you to read this and get your work done to avoid procrastination. Let me tell you how this book is benefited to me. Quite some days back, until I read this book, I had a habit to do everything later on. I always procrastinate. I always shift my schedule. I always shift my task to the next day. And this is how it the when work is piling up, it will sit on your head, and at some day you will feel burdened. You will feel very weighted with something. So it also relate to your emotions. And when you talk about the procrastination, some one of my friend has recommended this book to me, and I thought I should learn this book. When I learned this book, I have realized that whatever is written here is actually I am facing that issue. I would always procrastinate. I would always think that let us do tomorrow, or maybe sometime later. So this is how works get pile up, and one day I reached that saturation point. I reached that frustration point where I was loaded with lot of work. But this book will definitely help me, and I have started utilizing. I have started following up the tips and techniques given in this book. How you can prioritize your work, what should be done in the first phase of your morning session, and how you can avoid procrastination, and the important work can be solved, can be resolved quickly, so that you will feel light, and your productivity will also improve. So when I was suffering from procrastination, at the same time when I came over this disease, yes, I will definitely call it as a disease, because it's a habit, and habit will change your life. Once you are habitual to procrastinate, it will definitely hamper your productivity and the way you are working. So this is very difficult to come over this, but by doing practice, by consciously, if you are thinking that you want to avoid procrastination, and you have to get your work done, you will definitely finish your work within a time frame. And when I read this book, I have benefited out of it, and I would like you all people to go through this book once, at least once, to avoid the procrastination. Guys, I want to in a corporate life, you have too many tasks to perform in a day, and as you grow in your life, when you are responsible to some vertical or some work in your office, and even when at your home you have some your personal works, you have been procrastinating maybe more than a week, days, or something like that. So you can prioritize your work. You can benefited out of this book. You will learn how to arrange your important, less important, or least important work in a way, so that you can finish it the most critical work, And yeah, this book is very interesting because it is called as a eat that frog, means you have to complete your most critical activity in the first phase of your morning session. Means when you start your day, you have to first kill your most important critical work, that will, that will not keep hampering you or keep disturbing you throughout your day, so that you can feel light, and you can concentrate or you can focus on your other activities, so that your